In this video, we will discuss best practices for ladder use and give you tips to keep you safe on every job. Having the right ladder for the job is the safest way to complete any task. So how do you ensure you are choosing the right ladder? It's important to understand the differences between ladders, including their function, ratings, and materials. First, you should select the style that best fits your job. There are 5 basic categories of ladders: step, extension, multi-use, podium, or job made. A step ladder is a portable, self-supporting A-frame ladder. An extension ladder is also referred to as a portable ladder, but they usually have 2 sections that operate in brackets, allowing for adjustable lengths. Multi-use ladders have the capability to be set up in a variety of configurations. Podium ladders are self-supporting A-frame ladders that provide a large, standing surface, allowing workers to face any direction without needing to reposition the ladder. And the last category is job-made ladders, constructed on-site, usually out of wood to fit very specific needs. To decide which type best fits your task, you need to determine the following. For what jobs will you need the ladder? Will the ladder be used inside or outside? What heights will you need to reach? How much weight will be on the ladder, including tools and materials? And is there a possibility of working near electricity or power lines? A ladder duty rating determines the load capacity or maximum weight the ladder can safely support. Calculate the workload, include the approximate weight of the worker, the tools needed, and the materials that will be used to complete the job. Then determine heights you will need to reach to complete the task. The maximum safe reaching height is approximately 4 feet higher than the height of the ladder. For example, if you needed to reach a 10-foot ceiling, you could safely use a 6-foot ladder. Finally, you should consider the materials used to construct the ladder, typically wood, aluminum, or fiberglass. Harsh conditions or specific chemicals will affect your choice of ladder. For example, if you're working around electricity or power lines, you need to choose a non-conductive material such as wood or fiberglass. Ladders are like any other tools on the job site. They must be protected from physical damage and kept in good working condition to ensure your work can be done safely and effectively. Before every use, you should perform a visual inspection of the ladder. First, check for missing or damaged feet. Ladders may have either non-skid pads for use on hard surfaces such as concrete and flooring, or metal feet for soft surfaces such as dirt and gravel. Next, check the side rails and rungs. Look for broken, slit, cracked, corroded, bent, or missing rails and rungs. Finally, check for any loose, corroded, or weakened hardware like bolts, rivets, fasteners, or latches. Defective or damaged ladders must be immediately tagged as defective and removed from service. Regularly inspecting and maintaining your ladder will extend the life of the ladder and help ensure your work will be done safely. When handling and setting up a ladder, always be aware of your environment and look for potential hazards or obstacles that could put you in an unsafe position. When carrying a ladder, grasp the rail toward the center to create a balanced load, and have a coworker help you carry long or heavy ladders, and also be cautious carrying a ladder through tight spaces. Always be aware of electrical lines and maintain a safe distance of at least 10 feet. When using a step ladder, open the ladder so that the spreader bar is completely horizontal and locked. Then check that all 4 feet are balanced and have secure footing. Never use a step ladder in a closed and leaning position. To properly set up an extension ladder, you should place the ladder at a 4-to-1 angle against its point of contact. Then you'll need to secure it at the bottom or the top to prevent any sideways movement. Ensure that both feet are balanced and have secure footing. You should use a ladder leveler when working on uneven surfaces. If you're on a hard surface, you should use the non-skid or rubber feet. But on a soft surface like dirt or gravel, you need to use the metal feet and dig them into the ground to secure the ladder. When using the extension ladder for access, make sure the rails extend at least 3 feet above the landing surface or access point. Proper ladder setup not only helps prevent injuries, but aids in the efficiency of the task at hand. Falls from ladders are one of the leading causes of fatalities and injuries on construction work sites. Here are a few reminders and tips to keep you working safely. First, Always read and follow the ladder safety instructions and load ratings. These instructions are usually located on the side rails. When climbing and working on a ladder, you should always maintain 3 points of contact, such as 2 hands and 1 foot, to prevent slips or falls. Don't overreach. The maximum reaching distance is about 4 feet above the height of the ladder. On an extension ladder, the highest standing level is 4 rungs down from the top, and on a step ladder, it's 2 rungs down from the top. Never set up a ladder in a high-traffic area where other workers or machinery could bump or knock down the ladder. Never place a ladder upon other objects, such as boxes, barrels, scaffolds, or other unstable bases, in order to obtain additional height. And never use improvised or homemade ladders, or carry out makeshift repairs to a damaged ladder. Proper setup, use, and maintenance of your ladders will ensure a safe workplace and prevent serious injuries.